Fatal. Sweep. Destruction. Powerful. Fierce. Shocking. Are you ready? Wow. The process of transporting massive amounts of timber from deep forests to the city using heavy-duty trucks is impressive. These machines are specially designed to handle large loads, yet they still face challenges such as uneven dirt roads and weak wooden bridges. The trucks are like armored knights defying the forces of nature. The growth of the timber industry is an inevitable part of human progress. However, what is concerning is that we are treating nature as an unlimited resource. There needs to be a balance between development and conservation. We should think of nature not just as a resource, but as a valuable asset that must be preserved for future generations. Some argue that the development of the timber industry is an undeniable sign of progress. But has anyone stopped to consider the price we have to pay? Wow, it's a relief that no one was injured when the truck lost traction and slid off the slope.
Julieta caiu na grota, garoto. Julieta foi pra dentro da grota.
Oh, it's a moment that not only the lumberjacks, but also anyone witnessing the felling of a massive, majestic tree can truly appreciate the magnitude of. Oh my God, it's shocking. This guy's cutting down a tree with sap flowing out from inside, and when it falls, it splits into two. Imagine the truck no longer as a machine, but as a steel monster. However, this compromises its grip on the road, and in the event of an unexpected situation, the risk of tipping over becomes significantly high. The Bobcat T770 is truly an incredible tree clearing machine. Just look at it. This powerful machine clears everything so thoroughly and neatly. Wherever it goes, the trees are perfectly trimmed, with not a single branch left behind. Wow, sometimes those saws with extra long blades are incredibly useful when cutting trees from such heights like this. Oh, no matter how heavy the rain or how slippery and muddy the roads are, nothing can stop this heavy-duty truck. Look at it. It's like a giant monster, powering through every hill, hauling logs back from the deep forest with unstoppable strength. Have you ever seen a tree debarking machine like this? It's insanely fast and dangerously impressive, right? Truly a unique piece of engineering, my friend. The Broyeur Lent 4000M machine crushes all kinds of wood logs and discarded wooden household items into sawdust and wood chips. Just look at it. It's devouring everything with its massive, wide mouth. Truly a sight to behold. The Broyeur Lent 4000 meters is definitely a great choice, don't you think? Oh my God, with just a single axe, he splits the wood with incredible speed and precision. It's as if he's putting on a performance, so accurate and powerful. If you had to compete with him in wood splitting, would you feel confident that you could match his pace and skill? This is a perfect example of the combination of skill and strength, and without a doubt, this man deserves to be honored as a master in the craft of wood splitting. Wow, an indispensable machine for relocating trees from one place to another. Oh, this log has such beautiful wood grain. Let's see how much these two guys can earn in 1 hour by sawing tree stumps. The unique grain patterns and rustic appeal make these wood slices desirable for many purposes. Cut off the thin layer and discard it, then saw from the layer beneath. Oh, $50 for the first part. Now continue with the next $80. Wow, an additional $120. $70. $100. $150. $40. $60. $80. $40. $60. $80. $100. $170. $50. $50. $100. $120. Wow, $1,550. Wow, let's watch the process of felling the old tree near the house, a job that requires absolute precision. To control the direction in which the tree falls, the person wielding the saw must make strategic cuts, often starting with a notch cut at the right spot where the tree is intended to fall. Wow, he finally felled the tree in the right direction. Fortunately, the tree didn't fall onto the house. Otherwise, tonight, his wife might just make him sleep outside. He then used an S-1852 forklift to neatly load these massive logs onto the truck for transport to another location. The giant wheel spins relentlessly, its movement a blur, while the thick mud clings like shackles, refusing to release its grip. It's a life-or-death struggle between modern technology and the raw, unyielding force of nature. The tough, sticky mud holds on with a determination that seems impossible to break. This is a common occurrence when these machines traverse wet terrain or soft surfaces. The large wheels, even with deep treads for better grip, still can't overcome the traction of the mud, causing the engine to spin hopelessly. A tractor comes to the rescue, using its powerful pulling force to free the machine from the deadlock. Before venturing into muddy terrain, make sure to prepare thoroughly and always have a plan B. Remember, safety and adaptability are always the most important factors. Let's watch the process at a giant lumber dock, where each log is transported swiftly and decisively. The massive mechanical arm moves like a steel monster, lifting stacks of wood off the ground. The creaking sound of the wood mixes with the roaring engine, echoing throughout the space. How would it feel to experience this from the perspective of a truck driver working at the port? The massive industrial machinery operates with immense power and absolute precision. With large steel arms resembling the tentacles of a giant octopus, it lifts long and sturdy wooden beams with firmness and consistency. Each time a giant tree trunk is felled within the restricted area, a surge of excitement erupts. Wow, the technique of bringing down branches to avoid hitting the rooftop from above is truly mesmerizing and highly skillful. Oh, a machine capable of slicing through every tree trunk with precision, splitting them into pieces. With its sharp, small drill bit spinning at high speed, no tree can resist the power of this relentless machine. Oh my God, this vehicle is like an ox, hauling heavy logs behind it with incredible strength. Wow, a close-up of the saw arm of the John Deere 1270G cutting through the logs smoothly, like sugarcane being sliced effortlessly. Oh my God, watching this tree stump being pulled out so effortlessly by this machine is truly amazing. The machine is equipped with a cutting hook and hydraulic saw blade capable of generating immense pressure, allowing it to penetrate hard soil and dense tree roots while maintaining high precision. Felling massive 150-foot-tall spruce trees, the lumberjack wields a powerful chainsaw to tackle trunks of enormous diameter. The worker must always be mindful of factors such as wind direction, the tree's natural lean, and even the root structure beneath the ground. The cutting process demands great skill, as the lumberjack must create an exact cut to ensure the tree falls in the intended direction, avoiding danger and minimizing damage to surrounding trees. Wow, the powerful excavator brings down the towering tree without the need for a chainsaw. Wow, the process of transporting massive amounts of timber from deep forests to the city using heavy-duty trucks is impressive. These machines are specially designed to handle large loads, yet they still face challenges such as uneven dirt roads and weak wooden bridges. Oh, when the tree has a large diameter, it seems like felling it would be quite difficult. But this lumberjack makes it look so easy. First, he cuts through one side, then flips the log over and continues with the other side. Just like that, everything is handled perfectly. This heavy-duty truck pulls the logs across a majestic waterlogged bridge with such power and grandeur, truly a magnificent sight. At the modern sawmill, the wood processing procedure unfolds like an uninterrupted production line, where the power of technology meets craftsmanship. The first step, heavy logs roll onto the conveyor belt with absolute precision. Once the wood is fed into the production line, sharp saw blades powered by high-performance engines slice it into precise, standard-sized sections. Every operation is controlled by an automated system, ensuring millimeter-level accuracy and minimizing material waste. The cut logs are then neatly arranged into specialized racks for further processing. The wood racks are moved by an automated conveyor system to the hydraulic press, where each piece of wood is evenly compressed to achieve the ideal dimensions. Finally, the logs are neatly and orderly stacked, ready for sale. All of this takes place within a closed-loop process, optimizing productivity while ensuring quality. The shredder is operating with impressive power, a modern mechanical device specifically designed for clearing gardens and overgrown areas. It effortlessly handles small tree trunks, thick grass, and even dense shrubs in a matter of seconds. What makes this machine special is the combination of performance and precision. The powerful engine provides the necessary force for the cutting blades to spin at high speeds, turning dense tree trunks into compact pieces without damaging the underlying ground.
Trees, nice and clear.
At the sawmill, a massive truck arrives carrying an enormous tree trunk, drawing awe from everyone present due to its colossal size. Sturdy steel cables are tightly secured, slowly lowering the heavy trunk into the work area. The worker begins the processing stage, cutting the massive trunk into smaller sections that meet standard dimensions. With sharp saw blades, they skillfully cut through the solid trunk, revealing the beautiful, smooth grains of the wood with every pass. The steel cables are once again used to pull the logs into the sawing system. The sawing process is not just a simple cutting task. It is an art performed with perfect precision. First, the thin upper layer of the log is removed to create a flat and even surface. Then, the massive machine with its powerful saw blade gradually moves from top to bottom, slicing the trunk into flat, uniform planks. These planks have a smooth surface and the ideal thickness for market demands, becoming valuable products for the furniture and construction industries. Wow, just look at the stunning planks of wood being cut. Each grain clearly visible, the fresh scent of wood filling the air, spreading throughout the workshop. It creates a perfect picture of technology and meticulous craftsmanship in woodworking. This is a process that demands skill and precision, where from a massive log, beautiful wood products are born, ready to serve high-end projects and premium living spaces. But truly, this log is so massive that a single cut isn't enough. The worker must flip it over and continue cutting both sides to achieve perfect balance and symmetry. Each piece of wood is not just raw material, it is the result of a long journey from the deep forest to the sawmill. Now, under the skilled hands of craftsmen and the power of modern machinery, they are reborn to embark on a new journey, becoming valuable materials that enhance buildings and living spaces. This is a process that is both practical and emotional, where the power of technology does not strip away the pristine beauty and natural value of each precious timber plank. Look at this. A massive ancient tree suddenly toppled by a strong gust of wind. It wasn't just a simple breakage. The tree's roots were pulled up, lifting a massive root ball out of the ground. In reality, when a tree falls, it's not just the force of the wind at play, but also the weakening of the tree's root system, sometimes due to overly saturated soil or the tree being too old. Do you ever wonder why he has to sit like that? It's simple. The load in the back is so heavy that without this position, the truck could easily tip over or even lift off the ground, as if it's trying to take off. In reality, this is a very smart and scientifically sound strategy. Wow, when the truck climbs a slope, gravity affects the entire load, making it even harder to ascend. Without careful calculation and adjustment, the truck can easily lose traction or even slide backward. The TL462 machine with a powerful engine, impressive at 62 cubic centimeters. The John Deere 1270G is capable of automatically adjusting the cutting angle and reach depth, allowing it to cut trees up to several meters tall in a very short amount of time. This vehicle, while attempting to navigate a narrow, winding, and challenging slope, is carrying a massive load of timber with towering planks stacked high in the truck bed. Little by little, the green truck gradually climbs the narrow slope, inching forward with each step, demonstrating the endurance and power of a vehicle designed to operate in the most challenging conditions. The CBI 5400 BT wood grinder, equipped with sharp cutting blades, harnesses the power of a massive diesel engine combined with an advanced drivetrain system, enabling the machine to process tons of wood per hour. Oh my God, this man has invented a wood cutting machine powered by a bicycle. He can cut wood while also getting a workout at the same time. Wow, similarly, this is another creative handmade tool. Men use cables and the power of their legs to rotate the log, allowing them to carve and shape it. Wow, can you believe it? Wood, which is so heavy, is lowered as easily as flipping a hand. Discover this masterful technology now. These timber logs weighing hundreds of kilograms, this equipment utilizes the principle of leverage, combined with an advanced hydraulic system to distribute force optimally. Surprisingly, the massive logs are lowered gently, with no impact noise and without any displacement. If you had a machine at home that could handle these large wooden blocks, everything would be incredibly simple and amazing. Wow! In the midst of the wild forest, this is a true steel warrior, transporting massive logs across a harsh journey. The drivetrain system is engineered to withstand heavy loads, while evenly distributing force across the wheels to maintain balance on rugged terrain. When felling a tree, proper cutting technique not only prevents the tree from falling crookedly, but also protects you from those heart-stopping moments. This technique is based on a simple mechanical principle, yet requires high skill. It ensures the tree only falls in two directions, forward and backward. Follow the standard procedure and adhere to safety protocols. An impressive scene. The tree clearing crew, equipped with a chipper machine. The workers, dressed in protective gear, carefully trim large branches and clear away the foliage. Behind them, a powerful chipper machine stands ready to swallow everything, transforming the debris into material that no longer burdens the city. Wow, this is how every lumberjack can sharpen their saw blades without having to set them on the ground. The Hamel Red Giant 950 is a testament to the perfect fusion of mechanical power and technical ingenuity. This machine operates on a powerful shredding system, constructed from ultra-durable steel, capable of shredding any material in an instant. With a processing capacity of several tons per hour, it easily handles even the toughest materials, such as dry wood. Cutting wood of this size and still achieving a perfectly straight edge. What's the secret behind this sharp saw blade? This blade is made from a special alloy that can withstand high temperatures and intense forces. When the saw is in operation, the friction between the blade and the wood generates significant heat, causing the blade to glow bright red. To cut through thick and dense wood without damaging the equipment, sawyers use a machine designed with a shock-absorbing system and a powerful motor. This combination not only allows for rapid cutting, but also ensures that the wood's cut surface remains straight and smooth, almost eliminating the need for additional finishing. The Cat 522B, with its cutting speed and immense power. Wow! The Vermeer TG7000 grinder can transform an entire mountain of branches into wood chips in the blink of an eye. A true mechanical beast. Watch as it devours massive piles of branches, crushing everything into mulch in just a few seconds. Inside the machine is a complex compression and shredding system, ensuring that not a single wood fragment goes to waste. The Kramer Bison 6000X is a heavy-duty timber transport machine with a robust chassis and a compact design, making it ideal for maneuvering in tight spaces and uneven terrain. The Bison 6000X features a powerful crane designed for easy lifting, moving, and stacking of logs with high precision. The crane system has an extended reach, enabling smooth operations even with long timber logs.